Look at this cute Easter box. You already know I got 2 strawberry tres leches. I gotta try it first, y'all. I just have to. Strawberry tres leches cake. Oh, that looks good. It says it has house-made strawberry jam. Sign me up. Look at that. Really good, but nothing tops my Biscoff Tres Leches cake. I give this a solid 8.5 out of 10. I love the strawberries. I love the whipped topping. It's so light and fluffy. A good balance between the flavors, and I love the cake. Also, something did not feel right last week. I was missing my ice cold milk. Bet you can guess which one I'm going for next. Candy egg brownie cookie. 2 things I love, brownies and Cadbury eggs. Why have I never thought to put these chocolate eggs in cookies before? It's milk chocolate chips, but with the chewy, amazing texture of the Cadbury eggs. I am obsessed. 10 out of 10. One thing that would make it an 11 out of 10 is if they were the dark chocolate eggs, but I still love the milk chocolate ones. We've got a lemon glazed cookie. I remember liking this one last time. The glaze is what does it for me. It's simple, but it has a really nice lemon flavor, and the glaze, it's the cherry on top. It adds that sweetness and texture to the tart of the lemon. 7.5 out of 10. Chocolate cupcake cookie. Also, I did not get carrot cake because I got it last week, and carrot cake isn't my favorite thing ever. If you want to watch my review of that one, it's in last week's video. Love the fudge frosting. Don't care for the plain cookie. I'll give it a 6 out of 10, most points being for the frosting and the sprinkles. I just will never care for a plain sugar cookie. It needs to be spiced up in some way. Last but not least, we've got spring M&M's cookie. I just love M&M's, and that's all you can taste. This cookie is M&M's. Way better on the milk. 8.5 out of 10 because I love M&M's.